Hello guys and welcome back. I hope you'll enjoy this brief video. It's about serial numbers, so nothing too exciting. This bike does have a little bit of provenance, being the first Manxman and the first 650. So as I've gone along with the disassembly process, I've captured some of those numbers, whether it's the frame or the engine here and the gearbox as well, and then comparing them to the factory works records as well, just to make sure that this bike is what it says it's supposed to be. So hope you'll enjoy it. I'll speak to you again soon. On here somewhere on this little lug there's supposed to be a build date. It's caked in paint obviously, and so I'm just going to put some paint stripper on it rather than use anything that's too abrasive, just to see if we can make out what the number is underneath. Oh, blue. And some numbers. Well, this is exciting. I can see numbers there. Can't make them out yet. I don't have my glasses on. But I can also see some blue paint. So, I'm going to zoom in on this and see what those numbers say. Well, I've spent a little time looking at some photographs and blowing them up, and also asking my 13-year-old daughter as well just to look at the pictures with her 13-year-old eyes, and we are pretty sure that the number, and this is upside down, is 0601. What this number in here in this little circle is a bit of a mystery. It's either 66 or perhaps K6. I'm not sure, can't quite make that out. So what we're going to do is put a little bit of chalk on there and see if that may just illuminate it a little bit. That number in the circle is quite a small stamp. Well, the chalk did help. I think it is R6 underneath. Here's one of the most important numbers. It's the frame number. I've just rubbed a little bit of chalk onto this, but we have the model number, model 18 for 650, and then 93601, which should match with the engine number. And then last but not least, we have the engine numbers here. This first number here is the official serial number, the engine number of the bike. So 93601 is the first Manxman. 18 that's stamped here denotes a 650 or a 650cc engine. And then here we have another set of numbers. 65 denotes a 650 again, and 7, that's the shop number, what they call the shop number. So my understanding is, even though this is the first 650 and the first Manxman, it would have been shop number 1, but it was taken off the assembly line at some point, and to have accessories fitted or something like that, some work was done, and then it was replaced onto the assembly line and given number 7. So unusual situation where we should have had 93601 and shop number 1, 93602, shop number 2, and so forth. So immediately from the first bike they were out of sync. Just a bit of trivia, I thought you might enjoy that. And then here we have the Norton Owners Club factory record, the official factory record, which I'm very pleased to say brings it all together. It gives the manufacturer date, the engine number 93601, the model number 18, which we saw earlier, and the gearbox as well, so gearbox number 19642, which we saw earlier. So what we have is a matching numbers bike, and so that just brings some authenticity to this bike that I'm really happy with.